Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, what are we talking about today? Today we are talking about Curology, and I received the box yesterday. So pretty excited about this product. I'm going to go ahead and tell you all about it. Let's go ahead without further ado and get started. So Curology is a company, it's online, and what you do is you go to their website and you can get prescription dermatology products. Primarily target acne, but also anti-aging. So they do both anti-aging and acne. They have 6 ingredients. That doesn't mean all 6 will be in your prescription. It just means that they have 6 ingredients that they primarily utilize. And then based on the information that you provide to them and the pictures that you provide to them and your concerns, they will go ahead and customize a serum specifically for you. So I went online, and let me just go ahead and show you. This is my treatment plan. Let's see if you'll be able to see this. So you can see that I have my 3 ingredients. I don't suffer from acne, maybe a pimple every year or something, so that's not something of concern to me. So what my formulation is tretinoin, which is Retin-a. I have 0.12%, and the reason is on the lower end is I've never used a true Retin-a product. I have used retinol or retinoid products, but not Retin-a. 5% vitamin C and 4% niacinamide. So what's great about this is when you log on, you will be asked a multitude of questions. You will be asked if you take medications. You will be asked if you're allergic to anything. You will be asked what your skin concerns are. You will be asked, your age, and then you will send photographs. You can send as many as you like. I sent a front, each side, and then a close-up. So some of the concerns for me are fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture, overall skin brightening. I would like my skin to be brighter. So I sent all this, and then within a day or two, they sent me an email back saying your prescription or your formulation has been done. And then it tells you when it's going to be mailed out. It also says if you have any questions, you can contact your provider. This is a monthly subscription. So then the next month, but you can change. So if I go a month and the Retin-a is perfectly fine with my skin, we can always up the dosage and change things around. It's all, or if you get a dose and say Retin-a and it's too powerful, then, or you're getting flaking or pilling, you just email them and they will have solutions for you. There's also videos on the site itself discussing diet, oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, Retin-a. It goes into quite a lot of detail about each of the products within your formulation. For instance, if I press on vitamin C, it's going, and the wonderful thing about this is, first of all, the ingredients are top-notch ingredients. So for instance, the tretinoin is a Retin-a product. It's not retinol or retinoid. It is true Retin-a. And with the vitamin C, I do use vitamin C, but it's a very unstable ingredient. So they use what's called a magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. I know. So that's going to stimulate collagen. So they use a very stable form of vitamin C. And then, you can go, and if I click on niacinamide, it's a form of B3 that acts as an antioxidant, reduces inflammation, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines. And then you can click on that, and literally there's a whole guide about niacinamide and what it can do for the skin, why it works, how it affects dark spots or acne or firmness of the skin. And then if you go to, for instance, the ingredients, you could see here's all 6 of the ingredients. 3 of them specifically have to do with acne in one form or another. And then the 3 that I have are more for anti-aging, because that's what I need. So, Curology right here on the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. And it says, inside here it says, I was made for you. Share the journey. So, okay, here it is. In here, it actually has a nightly ritual. And it just tells you, apply Curology once daily before bed. Wash your face, allow skin to dry, apply a dime-sized amount to your face and neck, dab evenly and rub in. Do not apply to body. Relax. Curology works its magic while you sleep. And then here is the bottle. So we'll open it up. It's a plastic bottle. Let me just zoom in. You can see here. Now on the back, it actually has your ingredients, my name. So you can see here, it has my name, my specific list of ingredients in this bottle, and then my provider. It has the shelf life date on here, the milliliters, which is 14, and apply to face nightly. And then you just pop it and it's a pop form. So this is what it looks like. So the ingredients that are in your bottle are what are called their super ingredients. So again, they have 6 super ingredients. 3 specifically targeting acne, and then the other 3 target more specifically anti-aging. So I will go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and start this. I will do a video here of how I apply it and show you a video of 1 week in to see if there is any irritation or peeling or anything of that nature, anything whatsoever. I'm also going to use this on the backs of my hands. I do have a few age spots on the backs of my hands, so this will be kind of a good thing because I don't put a whole lot of product. I mean, I use whatever's left over from my face on my hands. So this will also, we'll see if it works on the back of the hands as well. So guys, this is my 1 week follow-up with regards to Curology to let you know if there's been any redness, flaky, dryness, patches, anything whatsoever, and there hasn't. So much so that I did use it every single day. I didn't follow directions and use it every other day. But I wanted to see if there would be an issue. There wasn't, because it was such a low dose of the tretinoin. So I did email my healthcare provider through Curology to up the dosage of the tretinoin, and now we are at 0.035% for the next month. So when that comes this month in April, I'll go ahead and start that. So guys, I will be back in 30 days and we'll see how everything is working out. And just to reiterate, I am using it on my face, my neck, and the back of my hands. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys. All right guys, so that's the unboxing. As always, if you're subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.